Hummingbird, a smart business analytics platform. Are you frustrated by not being able to access your data easily and quickly when you need it, and it takes you hours to build a new report? Do you find it hard to justify the data accuracy to the finance department when everyone is managing their own versions of reports and you feel like falling into the Excel hell? Are you frustrated by not knowing the level of stock you have now and how to forecast your replenishment for the next 3 months? Or are you confused when you're unable to make the correct replenishment planning because you don't really know who your customers are, what they really want, and how to better serve them, making it hard to make a precise sales forecast? With our AI and machine learning engines, you can better understand what your customers really want, how each product is performing, at what price to sell your products to maximize your profit. You can also precisely forecast the quantity you need for the next 3 months and optimize your stock level. Everyone can do his reporting quickly with our predefined reports and dashboards. No more waste of time and human power. All data sources are consolidated into one single source. Everyone can access the same data easily. Experience a better business intelligence today. Start with Hummingbird Analytics Platform and contact us on our website www.hummingbird analytics.com.